All right, today we have a really nice free Lightroom preset named Portrait 800. We're going to take a look at that. Then we're going to jump into the Creative Flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's take a look at our free preset, Portrait 800. Here's before and here's after. Before and after, really nice film fade and color. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. All right, now we're gonna go to the Creative Flow. We got all our presets here. We're gonna get to our profiles in one moment. Let's go to the film emulation folders. Let's go to the Kodak inspired and look for the Portra 800. Here we go. Starting at the top, really nice. Before, after. And there's different variations. Let's go to the film. Look at the nice film fade effect there. You also get cool. But let's go to the top one here. Give that a click. You can notice two things. You get an adjustable preset and you also get this profile. So let's say you already have some grain in your photo. You can just use the profile on its own. But for right now, let's play with the preset. Let's just dial it in right at 90. Looks nice. And then you also have the profile here. So you can always use it that way to intensify the look. I'm going to mix some other profiles in. Let's go to the chroma fade. Let's try the prints here. I like this one. Now it's showing through at 100 right there, but you can dial it back. There's just the preset. Then you can just bring it in. You get that nice film fade effect, and that looks fantastic. Let's take a look at before and after. Here's before and here's after. Before and after. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset named Portrait 800, and I'll also put a link to the Creative Flow, which includes over 1,200 Lightroom presets and profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.